Welcome to the 12th day of Techmas. Hopefully everyone has enjoyed this challenge. And for the last day, we are going to take two videos that have been previously used on the process for creating loom videos and placing those in Canvas. And I'm going to mash those together and show you how to put a loom video into Canvas. And if you've never done that before, you will also be guided through the process of how to download and use Loom. So let's go ahead and start using Loom and putting videos into Canvas.
Well, welcome everyone, and let's learn a little bit about Loom. If you're not familiar with Loom, it is a screen recording software that allows you to also have a picture of yourself on the screen. So you can see here there's a picture in the lower left-hand corner. You can actually move that wherever you would like on the screen, but it does record your screen and also shows you at the same time. In order to gain access to Loom, you simply need to navigate to loom.com, and once you are there, you are going to choose the Sign In option, Sign In. And make sure that you choose the option Sign In with Google. And once you are there, choose your school Google account. If you need to enter the login, go ahead and do that, but make sure it's your school Google account, because with your school account, you do gain access to a few more perks than what you would get with just a traditional free account. So once you have logged in, you may land at your personal library like I have if you've logged in before. If not, your screen may look just a little bit different. But regardless of where you land, you are looking for the two ways to actually use Loom on your computer. And mine are going to be found under my profile right here. And that is to download the desktop app or install the Chrome extension. Either way are valid ways to record. However, I have had a lot more success with the desktop app than I have had with the Chrome extension. So I would encourage you to download the desktop app. And once you have clicked that, you can select download app, and the app will download, and you have to run through just a couple of questions in order to get that to install on your computer. And once Loom has installed on your computer, you can find it by pressing the Start button and then scrolling down to the L's and locating Loom right here. It looks like that. Or you can just search right here, Loom, of course. Either way will work. And once you have done that, you click on Loom, and you will be prompted to choose the Start Recording button when you would like. And obviously make sure your microphone is working, as mine is. And you can see that I can drag the picture around to whatever portion of the screen that I would like. And you can also see that when I click, there's a yellow flash there, and that does help as well to let students know where you want to click. So when you're ready, let's just say start recording. And again, you can experiment with these options. I'm just showing you a very basic recording right now. I'm going to hit start recording, and I will then get a countdown from 3 so that I can make any last second changes if I need to. And now I can record. And as you can see, I'm going to record my screen. If I open a new tab, it's going to do all of that. And when I'm done, I simply press right here. Before you're done, though, if you would like, there are annotation tools. So I can draw on the screen. So if I want to draw on any screen, I can do that. And I have the ability to mark up the screen while I am recording. You can also pause. You can also restart. And as I mentioned, you can also delete. But when you're done, you can press stop recording. And the recording will automatically take you to your personal library. And here you will see your most recent recording. You will have the ability to preview. And if you would like to see all the videos you've recorded, you can navigate back to personal right here, and it will show you all the videos that you have recorded using Loom. So that's a real quick overview. Loom's a very basic program that is very powerful and will allow you to show your screen, but also show your face to students at the same time. Okay, you now have a successful Loom recording under your belt, and it is time to take that video and to put it into Canvas. Let's look at the options that you have. You can see that I'm in my Loom personal library, and I have a number of videos. I'm just going to choose this example that I recorded just a few moments ago. And if I click there, I do have the ability to copy the link, and I could copy the link and share it to students through Canvas, and that would be an okay option. I would know how often the video has been watched, and that's a nice feature. However, I think it's probably better that students actually watch the video within Canvas as opposed to having to go externally and try to watch it through Loom and log in through Loom. That could cause a lot of problems. So here's the recommended procedure. Let's go to download, and we're going to download the video. And it will take a little bit of time depending on how large the file is, obviously. And you will either be prompted where you would like to save your download, or it will go automatically into your downloads folder. So I'm just going to call this example for Canvas. And notice it is saved in my downloads folder right here. So I'm going to click save, and it will store in my downloads bar right here. So if I have the downloads bar open and I navigate over to Canvas, I can then navigate to the course where I would like to play the video, or place the video rather. So I'm just going to use my demo course, and any place that I can access the rich content editor. I'm just going to use a page, for example, but it could be an assignment, it could be a discussion, it could be a classic quiz, it could be any place that you can access the rich content editor. And again, if you're not familiar, this is the rich content editor right here. And all I have to do at this point is to choose the option to upload or record media, and I'm going to drag the file that I just saved, and I'm going to hit submit. And it will take a little bit of time for that video to load, but the video will then be stored within Canvas. Students won't have to go to Loom. They won't have to try to log into Loom. They'll just be able to watch your video directly from Canvas. So again, it may take a little bit of time for that video to load. Obviously, the longer the video, the longer the time it will take. And then you can click save or save and publish, depending on the type of resource that you are creating and how you're creating that. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. I do have to give it a title, of course. And this is what students would see. They would see my Loom recorded video. They would never have to leave Canvas in order to access that, and they could still go full screen. So that's how you take a video recorded on Loom and place it in Canvas. I hope you are able to use these two powerful tools together to reach your students in ways that you never thought were possible with virtual learning. If you have any questions, please let me know.